Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to see about an AutoML library called DABL. DABL stands for Data Analysis Baseline Library. DABL makes machine learning very easy for beginners. We can also use that for data cleaning as well as exploratory data analysis. We can also get quick insights through visualization, pre-processing, and model search. Let's go to the DABL website and see how we can make use of these features. So this provides more information of what is DABL and how we can make use of it. This makes supervised machine learning very easy for beginners. As you can see, this is a simple example for classifications with just a few lines of code. As you can see, you just need to import DABL library and also load the data sets using load digits, and also split the data set using train test split, and finally use a simple classifier of the DABL library to build the model, and finally display the accuracy of the model using score method. So as you can see, you can also use DABL library for plotting, and it provides visualization. These are some of the plots that are created using DABL library. So let's see what's in the quick start. So you can use DABL library to build a model to predict whether a passenger survived or not with the passenger information with the Titanic data set. And also, if you go to the machine learning, you can see how we can use DABL library for data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, and how to build the models and enhance the models. If you go to the DABL API, you can see all the functions that can be used for building the models. For example, simple classifier, simple regressor, and also how to load the data sets using these functions, and also how to plot using plot methods. Let's create a simple example to understand and familiarize ourselves with the DABL library. I'm going to use Google Colab for this. I've just installed the DABL library using pip install. So this is a simple example that we have seen already in the DABL website. We are just going to import the DABL library and use load digits for loading the data sets and also splitting the data sets using train test and split, and using the simple classifier of the DABL library, we are going to build the model and finally print the accuracy score. Yep. Let's see how this works. It's running a dummy classifier, Gaussian NB, decision tree classifier, logistic regression, and provides an accuracy of 97%. And the best model, it says, is a logistic regression, and the best score is this recall precision and FN score. You can also use plot method of the DABL library. To do that, you just need to give from DABL import plot, and also you can plot the original data set, which is X and Y, and hit run. The target looks like a classification, and it provides target distribution, and the plots on LDA. It looks very cool and super easy. You can just build model in minutes and also plot the data in minutes. Also do some exploratory data analysis as well using this. Hope you find this interesting. Let's see another example. So I'm going to use this example to create the model for the Titanic data set. Let's go to the Colab. So I'm going to import pandas library. And also import DABL. Create a variable Titanic, and also I'm going to read the CSV file using pandas library, and also get the data set using DABL set, and you need to specify the data path. In double quotes, let's run this. All looks good. We can also look at the shape of the Titanic data set. Display the first 5 rows of the Titanic data set. So you can also clean the data set using clean method of DABL. So I'm giving a different variable, DABL.clean. Our original data set name is Titanic, and where was using the cleaned data set, we can also detect the types in the DABL library, DABL.detect types. And also give the clean data set name, which is Titanic clean, and also we can print the types. So this tells what data type it has. Now, as we have seen previously, you can use DABL.plot to plot the original data set, and also by passing the target variable, which is survived. So using the plot library, you can be able to pass your target variable, which is survived for the dataset Titanic, and it will give you an idea of what the target looks like. For example, target distribution, and also you can see continuous plots and LDA plots are also the categorical versus target features. Let's go ahead and use the simple classifier of the DABL library using the cleaned data set. As you can see, this has listed different classifiers and also tells which is the best model, which is a decision tree classifier, and also it lists the best scores for accuracy predictions, ROC, recall, and FN scores. I hope you like this DABL library and explore other examples as well that are specified in their webpage. And if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you have comments, write it in our comment section. Stay tuned by subscribing to our channel. Thank you.